in this chapter, what we will find? We will find our aim will be how what to find value of magnetic field produced by current. Okay, with the help of I current, what will be the value of magnetic field? So with this, we start our topic, second part of the topic chapter, that is Biot Savart Law. What is Biot Savart Law? Very important. Okay, let us see Biot Savart Law. What does it say? Now, we know that if suppose we are having one current carrying conductor and current is passing through it, it is I. Let us suppose we take here some small current element. I say here small current element like this. I take small current element and we call it as IDL. Ideal is small current element along the direction of current. Okay. Now we have to find the magnetic field in this point. It is P. What we will do? We will draw a vector joining this P from this wire. Suppose its angle is theta and this distance is r. Biot Savart Law states that the magnetic field at point P, it will be equal to mu naught I by 4 pi IDL cross r vector by r cube. This is the value of Biot Savart Law. Okay, we can substitute it like L cross R. Now sin theta by, we can put like this R cube and we can cut one R like this. Okay, okay. This is the formula of Biot. The formula, you should remember it. Okay, now we will see what is the application of Biot Savart Law. Very important. Remember, application of Biot Savart Law. What is the application? See, if suppose we are having one straight wire, okay, we have to find magnetic field at this point. What we'll do? We'll draw straight line like this. Let us say this length is r. Then what we do? We join from the tip of the wire to this point like this. Let us say this angle is alpha and this angle is beta. Current is I. There is one derivation for it, for straight wire. Okay, but I am not going on derivation part because it is for 12th exam. They are focusing on it. So I am going directly to a question part. Okay, for a wire, to find the magnetic field, what we will do? We find that magnetic field is equal to how much? It is equal to mu naught I like this, mu naught by at like this sine of alpha plus sine of beta. Where sine alpha and sine beta are, you can see here what are sine alpha and sine beta. Okay, still having problem. Yes, one more thing here, r factor is missing. Okay, any problem here? Anyone, any problem here? Any problem? Yes. Okay, now we have seen Biot Savart Law. Yes, we see some more questions related to Biot Savart. See here, few more concepts, important concept that will be very important for you. See, if we are having this was straight wire having finite length. Okay, now if we have wire of infinite length, see here, we are dealing with special case. we are seeing special case. And the special case is, first part is infinite wire. See, infinite wire. It is an infinite wire. It is flowing, current is flowing I. We have to find the value of magnetic field at this point, P point. Okay, what we will do? We know for straight wire, what we do? We draw the end point at this point. Since it is parallel, we can say that we will draw like this. We will draw like this to touch it here, because the parallel lines will meet at infinity, so that the ends will be joined. If we draw like this, what will happen? Alpha and beta will become 90 degree. Okay, so what will the formula of magnetic field? Magnetic field formula will become mu naught I by 4 pi r into sine alpha, sine 90 plus sine 90. You will get 2 sine 90, 2 sine 90. Solve it, we will get mu naught I by 2 pi r. This will be the value of magnetic field for a infinite wire. Okay, any problem? Any problem till now? Any problem? See here, any problem? Okay, now let us see. This was the first application. Second, let us see, we are having semi-infinite. Semi-infinite. It will be very much used. Okay, semi-infinite. But in semi-infinite, there is one special case also. What I am telling, it is a wire having infinite length like this. Okay, but we are finding the magnetic field at this point. This is the point. You can say at this point to join the ends. This is the only one end. So we can say like this, here sine alpha, and here it will be sine alpha will be equal to 0. That is, alpha will be 0 degree. And here we can say that beta will be 90 degree. Put all those values, or we can get beta is equal to how much? Mu naught I by 4 pi r into sine alpha, that is 0 degree, and sine beta is 90 degree. Put all those values, will get B is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi r. This is the formula of magnetic field for semi-infinite wire. If the point is touching the one end like this, is on the one end like this, then is the formula of magnetic field for our infinite wire. And this is very important formula. You remember this. Many times you will get this. Okay. Now let us see further. Okay. This was the Biot Savart law, and we have studied the application part also.